You are going to love the 2021 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.